Namaskaram. Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Jai Vasavi. Vasavi City Club Bengaluru President Bhuneshwari Vinay here speaking. In the last video, I just discussed a few things what we can do on Dhanteras. Excuse me. Diwali is actually a most awaited festival for children, for adults, for everything, and it is celebrated with great pomp and show by our Bharatiyans all over the world. We lit different kinds of beautiful and colorful lamps and diyas, and we also do so many things like we in different regions, different gods and goddesses are worshipped. Different kinds of rituals and rituals are performed. They offer so many prayers on that particular day to many gods, and we celebrate by distributing sweets, then gifts, as well as we wear new clothes, and really it is a great celebration. Yes, all this, let us keep it one side. There is something beyond this that we all have to know about Diwali. One particular thing is Diwali comes on Amavasya, that is on no moon day. Actually, no moon day is considered not that very auspicious. But Ashwin month, no moon day, is considered to be the most auspicious and very powerful day. Why is it like that? That is because on that day, actually no moon day, we all know that sun and moon come together in one zodiac sign. We all know that. But here in Ashwin month, on that particular day, that is on that particular no moon day, the sun and moon both together are in a Libra zodiac sign, or it is called as Tula Rashi. That Tula Rashi symbolizes a balance. So, one type of unique energy, cosmos energy, is being created in this universe on that particular day. That we need to understand. So, the energy levels on that day are like it has got the uplifting energies, the wish fulfilling, and the powerful energies we can observe on that day. So let us all take the opportunity of such a beautiful and auspicious day which every year we get on the Ashwin no moon, and let us lit diyas in and around our houses, and let us illuminate with full of earthen lamps in and around our houses, and let us also ignite our inner self on that particular day to receive good blessings from the Almighty, as well as we can receive the spiritual, material wealth, and also divine wisdom from the universe on that particular day. And lighting lamps in our Sanatana Dharma is considered to be very auspicious and very powerful, because it symbolizes the purity, the goodness, and the power. That is the reason in every occasion in our Sanatana Dharma we lit lamps to show that we are moving from the darkness towards the light. There is a famous sloka in our Sanatana Dharma saying that Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. That means the journey from the darkness to the light. So we recite that mantra, and we lit the lamp. So let us all illuminate and ignite ourselves on this particular Diwali by receiving good blessings, good health, as well as wealth. Happy Diwali, guys. Have a nice Diwali, and let us all celebrate Diwali only by lighting lamps and prayers. Let us not burst crackers, and let us save our country. Thank you so much, guys. I would like to show different types of earthen lamps which I have. This I had been collecting from few years. A few of them have of course broken, but whatever I have I'll just show it to you. These are the different lamps which I decorated, as well as I have purchased with decoration also. Then this is the new one which I have purchased. This one is the last year, and this is the 2 years or 3 years before one, and this is last year's one, and this also few years before I had purchased this colorful ones. And this plate is also a new one. All this and all I have just painted, and I have stuck some kundans to be more attractive. I usually prefer to lit earthen lamps because there is a connection between the earth as well as human beings. So one or the other day we are going to merge with the earth. So I always prefer to lit earthen lamps during Diwali. Because it is going to happy Diwali to all of them once again. I hope you like this video.